Right. Yeah, back with the new start. Manipulation is what I've decided to call it. I went through a huge number of lists. It's manipulation, and the first rushing manipulation we have is the Mabley Fist of Freedom. It's all the freebie games, and the fist that represents them. The projection of the fist will be now switched on. And there it is. There's that on Mabley, and there are the loot boxes we hear about, and that's the loot box downloadable content, and there's the loot box microtransaction content, and there's your Fist of Freedom. So as you might probably do,